Hello, my name is Abhijit. I am co-founder of Spurti. We are in the business of corporate counseling. EPMIL, Extended Personalized Mentoring for Young Leaders, is our program aimed at managers and the tech leads in the organization. Objective of this program is to help an individual in a peer group take on some challenge, attain some goal such that his participation in an overall group increases the effectiveness of the group. The program in itself is split in three parts. In part A, the group is given a training on topics such as self-awareness or social skills, change management, risk management, performance management, empathy, listening skills. These are designed to help an individual identify some goal or some action that he wants to take over the next 6 months and improve his own performance over this particular period. This leads to a part B. In part B, every participant undergoes a discussion with us to identify some goal that he or she wants to achieve over the next 6 months. We encourage every participant to take one major goal and at most 2 sub-goals to support the major goal. The goal needs to qualify to this criteria of the SMART goals, which is essentially specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time-bound. Few examples might help. We had one manager who was looking at to reducing the time that she spends post-performance discussion. Her contention was that she's been doing the performance management correctly, yet she's spending enormous amount of time, and that's a waste, after the performance discussions. So she took a goal to conduct a no surprises to anyone performance appraisal for every member of my team. The performance appraisals themselves were about 9 months away. So I think she had enough time in between. In order to support this particular goal, she took 2 additional goals. The first one was to be able to conduct difficult conversations related to performance in an objective manner, without losing cool, without it becoming a bitter kind of a thing. And the second goal she took is to be as data driven in my performance monitoring as I am in my project tracking. Clearly, both the goals were supporting the main goal that she had taken on. Here is an example that a tech lead decided. His problem was that he was not getting enough traction for his ideas that he was making at an executive level. So the goal he took was to make an effective presentation of my idea to get a clarity on reasons behind its acceptance or rejection. So he was not particularly averse to an idea getting rejected. What he really was clear is that he needed to know what exactly is he missing on and hence what he should really be working on. To support this goal, he took one more sub-goal, and that was to identify at least 3 principal engineers and establish a rapport with them within the next quarter. This is to help me get my ideas vetted early on. So his idea was that, okay, if he gets these principal engineers on his side, understand their objections early on, then he will have a better attempt, go at the final presentation that he makes to the executives. I think you got the idea. In part C, our job is to ensure participants don't forget on action. The major work is done by the participants themselves. The part C phase, this phase C, actually extends for about 6 months. And in this period, we act as a conscious keeper. We meet every month with the participant, more often if needed. We make ourselves available on the email as well as on the phone. We take an active interest in the progress. We help the participants make the course corrective actions. Overall, together, our aim is to achieve these actions that the participant has taken on. The idea is to help instill that confidence in every participant that a persistent efforts can yield good results at the end of the day. Collectively, such a group is very capable of taking on some goal and achieving it, and hence it can be of immense use to the senior management in order to drive some major organizational initiatives such as a big change or a totally different course correction. EPMIL is a collective significant investment that an organization can do in its key leaders and eventually derive a benefit for its own. Thank you.